Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to turn on space on Twitter or X account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter application. Make sure you have already downloaded on your device. Now go to your profile icon or profile picture on top left corner. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, go to settings and support. Here again tap on setting and privacy. Once you are in this page, scroll down and then tap on notification. Here go to preferences and now tap on post notification. Now scroll down. Here you can see broadcast and spaces. Now it is turned off. In order to turn on, simply toggle it. So you have successfully turned on spaces on Twitter. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.